Hey everyone, just a quick tutorial on how to archive the OneNote class book that we've got going on here. It's important that you do that before the end of the school year because the team gets deleted over the summer and you'll lose access to all the notes that we have. So the trick is that you go to OneNote.com and you're going to sign in first with your school account. And then once you sign in with your school account, you're going to go to the section called Class Notebooks. The next step is to locate our class notebook, and for you, there probably will only be one. Right-click on it and select Save a Copy. Now, the next part is very important. You have two options over here. On the right-hand side, it says Save to your work school account or Save to a Microsoft account. I cannot more strongly recommend that you create your own Microsoft account and archive it in your own space. This way, when you are done with the London District Catholic School Board, all your archives of your OneNote notebooks will not be deleted. You'll have a personal copy on your personal space, and it'll be there for as long as you have your Microsoft account. So if you already have one, then go ahead and you click in here, and then it will prompt you to log into your other Microsoft account. And of course, if you don't have one, there's a little option to create one here. Then you just select a spot in your Microsoft account where to save it wherever you want to, and then it's done. And that's how you get your archive. It's very quite simple.